No data, no problem. These 4 free VPNs can help you browse the internet without spending a single megabyte. In this video, I'm revealing the best 4 VPN that actually let you browse for free. Yes, without mobile data, especially on certain networks and settings. Whether you are low on credit or looking to stay connected for free, this is for you. I used to run out of data all the time. I thought free browsing was a scam, but when I tested the right VPNs with the right tricks, boom, I was browsing with zero balance. So the first VPN is called LoFac UDP Plus. LoFac UDP Plus is a network utility to enable you browse the internet privately and for free. So the next one is called Smart UDP Pro. This VPN is a secure VPN with a fast speed connection, and it gives you free access to the internet. Okay, so the third one is called Aptech VPN Lite. Okay, you can access blogged website with Aptech VPN Lite, and it makes your browsing very easy. Okay, you can browse for free without any data. Last one is Literon VPN. So please, thank you for watching this video, and if you found it very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be getting more tips on free VPNs. Okay, thank you.